Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about Monty Hall problem, one of the problems which is related to probability calculations. Let me just first introduce you the problem. Monty is the name of the showman which has a show which is just broadcasted in the television, and the show is just containing 3 doors, 2 goats and 1 car, one supercar we can call it, supercar. And this is the, as you understand, if the price cannot be this goats, and supercar is the biggest prize of this competition. And we have 3 doors, as you can assume. In 2 of them we will have goats and 1 of them we will have supercar. And Monty just asks you to choose one of the doors, and you're trying to just predict behind which door the supercar can be located. And for example, you choose this door, the door number 1, and then Monty just asks you, after opening one of the remaining doors which has goat behind it. For example, this door has goat behind it. Only the what we have behind the doors is known by Monty, which is the showman and the main person in the show, in the television at that moment. And for example, this door was opened and Monty just asks you, asks that do you want to change the door you just chose? And this is the main question right here. Would it be to the benefit of you to change the doors? And you should think it in terms of statistics and probability calculations. If you want, you can just stop the video and think about the problem, but I'm going to explain it directly. Before just opening the door, Monty opening the door, you had the chance of 1/3 to just getting the car right here. But this is the probability for this one door. The remaining probabilities was 2/3 for the supercar being behind one of these 2 doors. And you see the probability here is just higher. When Monty just opens this door number 2, which has a probability of 1/3, you just kind of get extra 1/3 probability, about, which is equal to 33.333%. And when you just switch the door, you just kind of get extra 33.333% probability advantage. In terms of statistics, of course that changing the door would be in a favor of you, but I think it will be clearer if we had, for example, 100. Number of doors would be 100, and with this way understanding this problem would be just easier. Just assume that we have just 100 doors. This is now door number 1, door number 2, and door number 100. And imagine that you choose this door, and the probability of getting the supercar is 1/100, about 1%. And car being behind one of these doors, the probability is 99 divided by 100, which is equal to 99%. And imagine that Monty just opened all of the doors. Instead of door, just one of these 90 doors was just closed. And imagine that 99% of this probability is just focused on this door. Of course, the changing here the door you choose is the best strategy to win, and this is called the wisdom of crowd. Maybe you have heard this one. Crowd. Of course that when you try this once, it will not give the satisfactory result that your chance will increase, but when you just repeat this experiment 10,000 times, maybe 1,000 times, and bigger than this one, you will see that that when you change the door, the second strategy we use right now will be more beneficial in terms of your favor. And this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Please comment, share and subscribe to my channel.